The best fighters punch above their weight class. Fast and powerful, they're tough to beat. Just like the newest contenders in ESAB's lineup of award-winning light industrial products. Meet the ESAB EM 210 MIG Welder and ESAB EMP 210 Multiprocess Welder. These compact, affordable inverters weigh just 29 pounds, but deliver knockout performance on steel, stainless, and MIG aluminum. The EM and EMP 210 hit hard with up to 200 amps of maximum power, but also have a finesse touch for precision welds. Strike an arc, and you'll know these inverters are professional grade. To take your welding to the next level, you can fine-tune performance using advanced controls, typically found on industrial machines. The EM and EMP 210 can use 4 or 8-inch wire spools and are optimized for performance with .023 to .03 diameter wires. Even better, they're both ready for the optional Tweako spool gun. With EMP 210, you can also run common-type stick electrodes and use standard tungsten diameters. Equipped with in-dual voltage input power capabilities, a generous, ready-to-weld premium accessory package, and you're ready to take on any opponent with confidence.